Hello, my name is Haley Willard. This is me. I am an accounting and finance student here at Emporia State University. I am currently in the distance program because I am from Topeka, Kansas. I was born and raised here in Topeka, Kansas. I enjoy to run 5Ks here and anywhere in Kansas, sometimes in Missouri. I also enjoy to watch a whole lot of Netflix, of course, and I enjoy to spend a lot of my time with my friends and my family. I actually have 5 siblings, one of which is not pictured because he refuses to take pictures. That one is Cameron. And then I have my brother Gabe, my sister Kinley, my other brother Cade, and my sister Alexa, all of which are very unique in their own way and are my favorite people in the whole world. I also have a pet, my very first pet that I've ever had. Her name is Fluffy. Owning a pet has been a great adventure. It's helped me learn a lot. She was the first thing that taught me responsibility, of course. Well, major responsibility. Since having her and since going to school, I have went to Pitt State, which is where I recently transferred from. Transferring has also been a major change, which has been quite difficult, but I am glad to be at Emporia State University, and I'm glad to be in all the classes that I am enrolled in this semester. The change from going from Pitt to Emporia has taught me a lot, and hopefully will teach me for when I have to do a lot of different things in my future career. I am glad to meet all of you and have a great rest of your semester.